What's up, guys? Y'all know who it is. Jason here. I'm not going to be uploading for a while, so I want to give a couple shout outs to Cooper Lovett. Go check out his channel. Sean Clendenin. Go check out his channel. And McJuggernuggets. Go comment, subscribe, and like. And this is my bike check. We got the FS220 bike seat. Traditional bike tires. I got my dirt tire, my street tire, those traditional pegs, a 20 sprocket, a 29 setup. I got that traditional Walmart hub. I repainted my bike white. It's a pearl white. And that's pretty much the bike check. This is what I ride, though. Hope you like this episode. Have a good day. Y'all know who it is.